Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru. In this video, we will go through the 49 important questions and answers based on the coronavirus disease. So let's start. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in option A Beijing, option B Shanghai, option C Wuhan Hubei, option D Tianjin. So the answer is option C Wuhan Hubei. COVID-19 affects which part of the human body? Option A heart, option B lungs, option C brain, option D none of these. So the answer is option B lungs. What is the name of the test of coronavirus COVID-19? So option A ELISA, option B RT-PCR, option C GFR test, option D none of these. So the answer is option B, that is RT-PCR test. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Option A MERS, option B SARS, option C both A and B, and option D neither A nor B. So the answer is option C both A and B. In which age group the COVID-19 spreads? Option A COVID-19 occur in all age group, option B coronavirus infection is mild in children, option C older person and persons with pre-existing medical conditions are at high risk to develop serious illness, option D all the above are correct. So the answer is option D, all the above statements are correct. Coronavirus has started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? Option A Hubei, option B Shanghai, option C Shenzhen, option D none of these. So the answer is option A Hubei. Mild symptoms of coronavirus are option A fever, option B cough, option C shortness of breath, option D all of these. So the answer is option D, all the above. What is the full form of COVID-19? So it is coronavirus disease 2019. So CO for corona, VI for virus, D for disease, and 19 for 2019. So it is coronavirus disease 2019. What is coronavirus? Option A, it is a large family of viruses. Option B, it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Option C, both A and B are correct. Option D, only A is correct. So the answer is option C, both A and B are correct. What does VI in the word COVID-19 mean? Option A corona, option B virus, option C diseases, option D 2019. So the answer is option B, that is virus. What happens to a person suffering from COVID-19? Option A, around 80% of the people will require no treatment as such and will recover on their own. Option B, around less than 20% of people or small proportion may need hospitalization. Option C, a very small proportion basically suffering from chronic illness may need admission in an intensive care unit ICU. And option D, all the above are correct. So the answer is option D, all the above statements are correct. World Health Organization WHO on 11th of February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? Option A COVID-19, option B COVID-19, option C CONV20, option D CONVID19. Obviously the answer is option A COVID-19. Which state became the first state to declare coronavirus as an epidemic? Option A Punjab, option B Rajasthan, option C Haryana, option D Chhattisgarh. So the answer is option C Haryana. How much aid has India announced in SARS COVID-19 emergency fund? Option A $10 million, option B $100 million, option C $15 million, option D $25 million. So the answer is option A $10 million. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in a critical condition. Option A, plasma therapy. Option B, Solidarity. Option C, Remdesivir. Option D, hydroxychloroquine. So the answer is option A, plasma therapy. Indian government launches which app for COVID-19 tracker app? Option A, COVID-19. Option B, COVID-19. Option C, Arogya Setu. Option D, coronavirus tracker. So the answer is option C, Arogya Setu. Social app Instagram has launched which feature to make its users aware of coronavirus? Option A, Instagram TV. Option B, Instagram News. Option C, Instagram Feed. Option D, Instagram Go Corona. So the answer is option C, Instagram Feed. From where coronavirus got its name? Option A, due to its crown-like projections. Option B, due to their leaf-like projections. Option C, due to their surface structure of bricks. Option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option A, due to their crown-like projections. What feature has WhatsApp launched in India to make you aware of coronavirus? Option A, WhatsApp News. Option B, WhatsApp Go. Option C, WhatsApp Chatbot. Option D, WhatsApp Live. So the answer is option C, WhatsApp Chatbot. Name the vaccine that is jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US pharma giant Pfizer for COVID-19. Option A, BNT 162. Option B, Picovac. Option D, both A and B. And option D, neither A nor B. So the answer is option A, BNT 162. What feature Facebook has launched in India to make aware of coronavirus? Option A, Coronavirus Information Center. Option B, Coronavirus Tips. Option C, Coronavirus News. Option D, Coronavirus Information News. So the answer is option A, Coronavirus Information Center. What new website has Google launched to make you aware of coronavirus? Option A, google.com/COVID-19. Option B, google.com/corona. Option C, google.com/coronavirus. And option D, none of these. So the answer is option A, google.com/COVID-19. What does the structure of coronavirus look like when viewed with a microscope? Option A, crown. Option B, ring. Option C, fish. Option D, lung. So the answer is option A, crown-like structure. In a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients' blood well for long-term immunity? Option A, P cell. Option B, D cell. Option C, T cell. Option D, endothelial cells. So the answer is option C, T cell. From where coronavirus got its name? Option A, due to their crown-like projections. Option B, due to their leaf-like projections. Option C, due to their surface structure of bricks. Option D, none of these. So the answer is option A, due to their crown-like projections. Coronavirus is related to which disease? Option A, SARS. Option B, MERS. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. So the answer is option C, both A and B. When coronavirus first identified? Option A, 1960. Option B, 1965. Option C, 1980. Option D, 2019. So the answer is option A, in 1960. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird? Option A, monkeys. Option B, lizards. Option C, hens. Option D, kites. So the answer is option A, monkeys. What are the main symptoms of coronavirus? Option A, fever. Option B, cough. option C difficulty in breathing, option D all of them. So the answer is option D, all of them. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? Option A N1HI, option B Ebola, option C SARS-CoV-2 and option D none of these. So the answer is option C SARS-CoV-2. What was the new name of coronavirus temporarily? Option A 2019 nCoV, option B SARS, option C HIV, option D Corona. So the answer is option A 2019 nCoV. In which language is the name coronavirus originated? Option A English, option B Latin, option C Hindi, option D none of these. So the answer is option B Latin. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? Option A cover your nose and mouth when sneezing, option B add more garlic into your diet, option C visit your doctor for antibiotics treatment, option D wash your hands after every hour. So the answer is option A cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. On 11th of February 2020, WHO announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? So the correct answer is option A COVID-19. What is coronavirus? So these are the both statement. It is large family of viruses. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. How many countries, areas or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreak in the world? Option A more than 50, option B more than 100, option C more than 150 and option D more than 200. So the answer is option D more than 200. In which age group the COVID-19 spreads? So all the above statements are correct because COVID-19 occur in all the age groups. Coronavirus infection is mild in children and older person and persons with pre-existing medical conditions are at high risk to develop serious illness. So the option is D, that is all the above are correct. How does coronavirus transmit? Option A, when a person sneezes or cough, droplets spread in the air or fall on the ground and nearby surfaces. Option B, if another person is nearby and inhales the droplets or touches the surfaces and further touches his face, eyes or mouth, he or she can get the infection. Option C, if the distance is less than 1 meter from the infected person. Option D, all the above are correct. So definitely the option D is correct. All the above statements are correct. A disease that can be transmitted to humans from animals is option A hypnotic, option B stenotic, option C zoonotic, option D none of these. So the answer is option C zoonotic. Which of the following statements are correct about favipiravir? So option A, favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug. Option D, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals under the brand name Fabiflu has launched an antiviral drug favipiravir. It is India's first COVID-19 drug launched, price at rupees 103 per tablet. All the above are correct. So the answer is D, all the above statements are correct. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in a critical condition. So the answer A is correct, that is plasma therapy. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in option C, that is Wuhan, Hubei. How long does the coronavirus survive? The answer is it's not confirmed that how long the virus stays, but studies suggest that it may persist on the surfaces for a few hours to many days. Which medicine has India exported to America? The answer is hydroxychloroquine. What are the symptoms of the virus? Sneezing, running nose, cough, and in some rare cases fever, sore throat, asthma, etc. are the symptoms of the virus. Is here any proper treatment to combat this coronavirus? So unfortunately there is no treatment as of now, but India has launched their vaccine on the coronavirus. What should be the proper precautions for the suffering persons? Drinking water and take rest. Name the first country mostly affected by coronavirus. So definitely it's China. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more such informative videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.